Rita, thank you very much. Here in the UK, the high pressure from the weekend has drifted a little further east, so the resultant weather means windier, little milder, with some rain, mostly in the west. And I'll show you why. You can see this is the rainfall that accumulates through the next 3 or 4 days. It is again evident mostly in western areas, very little further east. And that's because we're closer here to that area of high pressure. So these weather fronts will continue to be deflected somewhat and less rain will reach into eastern areas. But it will result in some strong winds for most of us this week. But some sunshine equally, despite the chilly start this morning. There was Market Drayton. We've got more cloud in Cornwall. That weather front is upon us across the west of Wales, southwest England, and it's moving across Northern Ireland now. So some fairly wet weather for a few hours here.
Hello there, good evening to you. Our temperatures are going to be turning milder over the next couple of days, although we'll still hold on to a bit of a breeze. It's looking mostly dry for us until Friday, although some of us might just see a few spots of rain as we head through tonight. And here's a quick look at the rest of the week. You can see on Thursday, cloudier skies, but temperatures still mild, highs of 15 degrees Celsius. Then we've got some wet weather to come through on Friday that I showed you. That clears through into the weekend. Saturday, probably shaping up the better day of the weekend. We're going to be in between systems, so mostly dry. Temperatures starting to cool off, you can see, and we'll see sunshine and showers as we head through Sunday as well. Have a lovely evening. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.
Hi, chance of a shower in Antigua tomorrow. Here after a cold start, some sunshine at least across eastern areas, appreciated by the lambs across the western side of the UK. Clouds been increasing and many of us have seen a bit of rain at some stage of today. It is low pressure which is now taking over, and it's that's bringing in outbreaks of rain, particularly across western parts of the UK over the next few days.
Good evening. It's been another day full of spring sunshine, but it's still feeling quite chilly. Milder air, though, is on the way. Now, the spring sunshine from earlier down in St James's from weatherwatcher Liam. You can see clear blue sky.
Now, some of us, it may not be feeling it yet, but rest assured, spring is on its way. Temperatures could reach as high as 16 degrees Celsius this week in parts of the UK, and Alex is here to tell us all about it.
Yeah, well, I think we could all do with a little bit of cheer at the moment, and I think for recent parts of the UK, they've got a fair dose of vitamin D earlier this afternoon. In fact, if we take a look at these pictures, this was the Humber Bridge earlier this afternoon, sparkling in the spring-like sunshine, and this was pretty much the picture across many eastern parts of the UK. Come a little bit further south, this was the Norfolk Broads, Wroxham to be precise, the water glistening there, the swans also lapping up a bit of vitamin D, and nothing really says spring, a bit like some lovely daffodils blowing around in the breeze a bit. Well, why is it all going to be turning a little bit milder over the next few days? It's going to have a rise in temperature. This afternoon, we saw a high of 13 degrees Celsius, but as we fast forward into Thursday, we should be seeing a high of 15 degrees Celsius. This is all down to a bit of movement in the jet stream. That's going to be making its way a little bit further north, and that's going to allow some milder air from the near continent to feed up across the British Isles, particularly across southern parts. It is going to be fairly mild, temperatures at around 4 or 5 degrees above average for the time of year, maybe 9 or 10 further north. So certainly some spring-like sunshine on the way at times, but also the chance of a bit of rain out towards the west, much like they've had today.